Let me show you how to use split screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and also S25 Ultra. So if you want to use two apps at the same time on these phones, we can actually do that very easily. But first, open your first app that you actually want to use. So make sure it's actually running and place it simply in the background. So again, as you can see, I have it running in the background. Then on the top over here, you see you have this like the application like thumbnail essentially. So we're going to click on that, and you'll be able to click this, open in split screen view. And as you see, basically that video actually got placed on the top over there. Then again, we can select other apps that we want to use. For example, let's select another Chrome. So essentially we can browse two websites at the same time at the moment. Yeah, absolutely cool. By the way, also, if you want to resize this again, we can simply drag this like this, so, and resize it just as you need it. For example, as you can see, I can make as a video part like larger. Also, I can put it in the full screen, so you see it actually works absolutely great. And also, if we shift our phone like this, so you see, you can actually use it in landscape as well. So again, we can easily customize just however we want that. And if you actually want to exit this split screen view, then simply select the app that you want to keep. But so for example, if I want to get rid of the video, I'm going to simply swipe all the way up like this. So as you see, it got closed. Anyway, good luck.